Guess who's back? I know, it's been a while. I have so much to share with you, including what I was doing while I was away. I've got just a ton of exciting announcements to share as well. So many things happening. I thought for my first video back, I should post it on my birthday, which is today. I am 35, and that number is significant for the rest of my year, and I'm going to tell you why. So I had decided, and I'll go into this more in future videos, but I had decided to take a step back from social media for just a little bit to kind of recalibrate. I I felt conviction in my heart that I wasn't seeking God first. I was kind of putting him last or as an afterthought, and it was affecting my mental health. It was affecting my family. So I'm starting brand new. I am every day begins with God and the rest of my day follows. So for the year of 35, I'm dubbing it 30 Thrive. And this year is all about thriving. I have a bunch of goals that I've set for myself: weight loss, health, happiness, you know, just family goals. Like, I've got so much to go into with you guys, but I just wanted to share this with you in case you also would like to have a Thrive journey of your own. We can, talk in the comments and kind of bounce ideas off of each other. I'll put the 35 things that I'm doing to do this Thrive in the caption so you can kind of look at that list, maybe make your own. And I did want to read with you my Jesus calling for today. So I don't skip ahead or anything. I had no idea that this was the Jesus calling, the devotional for today, my birthday, June 13th. Let me read it to you. Here we go. It says, I am creating something new in you, a bubbling spring of joy that spills over into others' lives. Watch and delight as my spirit flows through you to bless others. Let yourself become a reservoir of the Spirit's fruit. Your part is to live close to me, open to all that I am doing in you. Don't try to control the streaming of my spirit through you. Just keep focusing on me as we walk through this day together. Enjoy my presence, which permeates you with love, joy, and peace. And I thought that was so perfect for my year of 30 Thrive, because I am hoping that I'm able to share. My whole goal with 30 Thrive was to have that Jesus glow up that people talk about, where you look at a person and you're like, I want to know what Christianity is all about. I mean, look at them. They look happy. They look like they're thriving. So I thought how perfect this was, that was the devotional for today, because I want to be a person that God uses as a way to heal our lives, make us closer, um, bless us. I want us to all thrive. And I'm so excited for the future. I'm so excited for the year of 30 Thrive. So like I said, I'll put my 35 things down in the caption or the description box. So definitely check that out. I'm going to be posting 2 long form videos a week again. Like I said, I have so many updates to share with you. Some I can't share yet. Some I'll cover in future videos, but let me know in the comments, are you excited that the long form videos are back? Are you going to start your own year of thriving? And let me know what days you'd like me to post on. We'll get a schedule and let's start this year of thriving together. I'm so excited. 35 is going to be the best year yet. I'm so excited to be back. Thank you all for joining me, and I will see you in our next full-length video.